Minister lo chichilo ka microfinance arona keyune kasolo ngesia balebe subito zeswa maka pugan bala opot wo joto roskoto maswa mukech
ara ile mida kana tesi kato makana baka itiloni kilos yote kibaino nyo. I must confirm to you that the Myogan PDM must serve the people, and the people should be able to benefit, and people should be able to appreciate. Because President sent the money, so whoever plays around with these two programs, you are in danger. Ikatunga sa itiko kongo bonebe emioga ebeidi aita nakini tunga kedagu kumkere. Do yeni irikini ngane emioga kede PDM aja uke jaisa itunga jakarjo di mouni jodo mamuji pedori.
Abue minister itorona bobotodi Kanu ebe eswa manarkede opportunity bank Kanu ebe abu ikini tunga Apukora accountana ngadisi kangin.
Please go ask the people to choose the banks of their own choice. Now tell me, you my representative, why did you choose for them? Don't mislead the people. You are supposed to guide them.
Okay, I'll sit and talk now. The office of power has written to Accountant General because we want to open up for all banks to come in. The good thing is centenary is building a branch.
But you admit that it was a mistake for you to impose one bank on this people. You imposed a bank on them.
Not me as a person. The government is supposed to be this bank. Today, I could have played the role that he said that
it is very easy to say sorry, and you must learn to apologize.
Minister ngesi abu ininge Engarenok aitete munibore yeni mame districta edukunitore mioga sako lo arot keja angunuda RDC Jofre Katamba kedalo eya itinu agwela narko districta Patrick Todi kesi abala siebe pote adukuna tukotongin kotoma parasha kaisauni inwe pontos koingaren.
Meaning, out of the 18 Emyoga circles which are reformed in this constituency, there is one circle which was not formed, which I think has not come clearly from our audience, and that's journalists. They started me online idle in Opportunity Bank.
We got money for journalists in the three constituencies, but this constituency do not qualify because they do not have interested journalists or beneficiaries.
I know so many professional journalists who come from Toroma County. I know many.
Your Excellency, they never showed interest.
No, it is not them. We want all those people to be in that circle. So with it, I think I'm giving you 2 weeks. Will you have formed that circle?
If that circle is not formed, then the people who are journalists here are missing, and yet their money is in the bank. I know many of them, many people who are journalists who come from Toroma here. Because we have spoken many times with the district leadership, with the bank, why the PDM money is stuck. The cow confessed that the reason why the PDM is stuck is the capacity of the bank. So you should investigate so that we clear that.
Kanuka TV East, Abraham Elapo, ko district alo ko Katakwi.